Hi YouTube, Newb89 here with a brand new lockpicking video. So I have the EZSET deadbolt tumbler. I got this from Canadian Tire, but at a price about $14. So it's probably, the safe to say, was the cheapest one on the shelf. A little bit about it, since it is super cheap, there's lots of play in the plug, so lots of feedback for me because I'm new. I'm looking for something easy, right? It even says it on the lock. It's got 5 pins in it. I've disassembled to confirm that. They're all standard pins. And I'm going to pick it with Southward tools. So I got the regular hook style pick and just a standard tension tool there. So any success I've had with this lock or any other ones I have is a direct result of watching every single one of Bosnia and Bill's lockpicking videos and sitting down in my downtime if I'm watching TV or whatever and basically having a lock and a pick in my hand and putting the time in for practice. So just looking for the binding pin there. I think I set 5. No, I didn't. I'm going to reset there. Okay. I can already tell that I overset music number 3. Yes. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, you have another deadbolt tumbler, and it has security pins in it, and I can pick it quite a bit easier than this one. I'm not really quite sure why, but it drives me nuts. Okay, there we go. Not the best or the fastest picking for this lock for me, but maybe we got a little bit of stage fright, but straightforward. If you have any questions for me or any comments, please leave them. Thanks for watching, guys.